First, we'll show you how to load files in the software. Rize software accepts STL, OBJ, and FBX. Open Rize software and choose the file you'd like to print. You'll see this dialog box. It tells you what units of measure you're using. We'll talk about this later. For now, just click OK. Your file will automatically be placed in the front left corner of the build as the default. Next, we'll show you how to position your part. To position the part, you'll need to zoom out so you can view the entire build. You can zoom by using the mouse wheel or Control 1. Now you can move the part around and drop it. With the part selected, hover your mouse cursor over the green cross. Once the cross turns orange, click and hold and drag to your desired position, then drop. If you hover the mouse cursor over any green arrow, it will change to orange. Then you can click on it. Click once on the arrow to rotate your part 90 degrees in the direction of that arrow. If you right-click on the arrow, a panel will appear and you can type in your desired angle and hit Enter. If you want to rotate 45 degrees instead of the default 90 degrees, you would type 45, Enter. To undo, you can click on the opposite arrow and type in the same angle and hit Enter. Click on the View button in the main navigation bar. You'll see 6 additional view options: Top View, Bottom View, Left View, Right View, Front View, and Back View. Now we'll add and delete parts. Select the part you wish to add by clicking on it. You should see the green cross arrow on the part. If you don't see it, just click on the part again. Once the part is selected, a panel box on the left side of your screen will open. Click the duplicate button to add the same part. You can also add a different part to the build by opening another file and adding it to the existing scene. You can also delete a part in the same build. Just select the part you want to delete and hit the Delete key or the Delete button on the left panel. If the part is in the middle of the build and you want to put it in the default position, just click the Place button in the left panel. The selected part will return to the left front corner. If you have a part that's sitting at an angle and want it to print flat, simply select the part and then click Lay Flat button in the left panel. Now we'll show you how to scale your parts. To scale your part, make sure the part is selected. You'll see the Model Properties panel on the left once the part is selected. In the left panel, click Scale of this instance. In the space provided, type in the amount you want to scale the part. For example, type 2 to double the size of your part. Type 0.5 to shrink it by 50%. Under the heading OBJ Units, you can change the unit of measure. Click the arrow to see the choices. Next, we'll look at Print Preview. Click the Print Preview button in the main navigation bar to see how your part and support will be printed. While in Print Preview, you can examine different layers by typing a layer number in the panel on the left side of the screen, or by using the vertical up and down slider. To end Print Preview, just click End Print Preview in the main navigation bar and it will take you back to the standard 3D view. Last, we'll show you how to save your file or send it to the printer. Click the Print button in the main navigation bar and the Print option dialog box will appear. You can either save the print job or send it directly to the printer. You can also choose how you want the interior to print, solid fill or honeycomb fill interior. If your printer is not on the network, you can't send your job directly to the printer. Rather, you'll need to save it. Just select the location where you want to save your file and click Save. You can save it to a USB stick and load it directly to the printer. Note the file is now a .rizejob file, which is the file format required for the Rize 1 3D printer.